NCERT Physics Class 11th, 5th chapter, which is Laws of Motion, question number 5.11. 5.11. So, truck start from rest and accelerate uniformly 2 meter per second square. At t equal to 10 seconds, a stone is dropped by a person standing on the truck. What is the velocity and acceleration at t equal to 11 seconds? So, we have to consider the motion from t equal to 0. So at t equal to 0, the truck starts at its speed, initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. After t equal to 10 seconds, the truck will be at this location. Now it has gained some velocity due to acceleration in x direction. So we are assuming in this case two direction, which is horizontal and other is vertical. So vertical is represented by y and horizontal is by x. So final velocity is v, and this is situation at t equal to 10 seconds. So in this case, the person at the top of truck is dropping a stone. So as we all know, when we drop any object from moving body, so the object will carry the velocity of that moving body. So at time of projection, the speed of truck is v. So the object will also have the stone will also have speed v in same direction, but it will not carry acceleration. So after dropping from the truck, the only force acting on the truck is on the stone is mg. After it is being projected in air, the only force acting on the stone is mg. So only acceleration which is of stone is vertically g downward. This is f is which is equal to mg. So what we have to define that what is the velocity and acceleration at t equal to 11 second. So t equal to 11 second means that the journey of stone has taken 1 second. T equal to 11 second does not mean that the stone has taken 11 second. As a stone is released from t equal to 10, so time attained by the stone is only 1 second. So for stone, time is equal to 1 second. So in order to define the velocity of stone, we know that stone have two velocity, which is vx in x direction and vy in y direction. As neglect air resistance, no air resistance is zero. Air resistance is zero. So net force in x direction equal to zero. This implies acceleration in x direction is equal to zero. This implies velocity in x direction remain constant. So vx is equal to ux and ux is v. Now, in order to find the velocity of truck at t equal to 10 seconds, we can use equation of motion for truck. So first we are using equation for truck v equal to u plus at. This implies that v is equal to initial velocity 0, acceleration is 2 and time is 10 seconds. So velocity of truck at t equal to 10 seconds is 20 meter per second. So for the same, the velocity of stone in x direction will remain same as no acceleration in x direction, that is 20 meter per second. Now in order to find out the velocity of stone in y direction, we can use vy is equal to uy plus ay into t. Vy is equal to uy plus ay into t. As the stone is dropped, so no initial velocity in y direction. So final velocity in y direction, that is equal to acceleration is y direction, that is g downward, into time, that is 1 second. So this is 10 meter per second. So vy is equal to 10 meter per second and vx is equal to 20 meter per second. So resultant velocity can be find out. This is v net. So we can find the value of v net as net velocity is a resultant of 20 and 30. So 20 square plus 10 square. From this we have v net is equal to root 500, which is equal to 22.36 meter per second. This is net velocity at t equal to 11 second of stone. Now in order to find the direction, so let's say this is angle theta. So we can write tan theta is equal to vy upon vx. Tan theta can be written from this triangle as Vy upon Vx. Vy we know that is 10 and Vx is equal to 20. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. And the value of tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 26.57 degree. This implies that theta is equal to 26.57 degree. So in this, what we are supposed to find out? Velocity. So we have calculated the final magnitude of velocity and direction of velocity. Now acceleration we have to find at t equal to 11 seconds. So as we all know, the only force acting on stone is V bar. Only force acting on stone is mg. So we can find out the net acceleration, which is equal to, by using F equal to m into a. So mg equal to m into a. So in this case, acceleration is equal to g, which is 10 meter per second square in downward direction. This implies acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square in downward direction.